About the time when artificial intelligence will soon take over every work field. These robotics creations can now completely replace human work, doing it even more efficiently and effectively. Little did we think that the AI bots would soon merge machinery with creativity, did we? As it turns out, latest developments in the AI sector have blurred the thin line between utilization of the AI and one's brain creativity. These new forms of digital arts are constantly evolving and have come as far as mimicking the human mind to generate AI results. In this video, we're going to discuss how artificial intelligence in art has become progressive over the years. We will shed light on how these AI robots will soon merge machinery with creativity. And lastly, we will even explain how you can use AI to make digital arts like never before. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, then hit the red subscribe button and turn on the post notifications bell to always stay updated with our latest uploads. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. The creative boundaries of digital art have surely stretched, completely disrupting the conventional process of making an art. Artists have now the access to build autonomous robots to collaborate with. They can simply feed these bots algorithms with desired data and can even train these machines to generate visually pleasing art pieces. Some of them even work with lifelike computer programs that have the potential to mimic the human mind. Well, this feature was a breakthrough in the AI-generated art pieces, as art is all about making mistakes and creating unique pieces, right? These machines can even interplay in between the artist's accident and its own control to generate impeccable works. These early developments evolved novel concepts of creating your own art with your thinking pattern and creativity scale. In a brief, the AI would do exactly what's going on in your mind while making the process far more easy for you. These AI artist robots can preserve year-old art pieces by mimicking their stroke patterns and learning their unique styles, which none of the artists could over the years. So what exactly is an AI-generated art? It refers to any art generated with the assistance of an artificial intelligence technology. As we know, several industrial factories have completely replaced human work with machines. These AI-generated machines can not only mimic human-like work, but can do it way faster and more efficiently. These machines are cost-efficient, accurate, and can provide progress rapidly as compared to human work. Similarly, the artist sector was probably the only one left behind in the race for AI dominance. A major reason for this was because art is always creative, unlike manual efforts. You obviously cannot make a machine sketch an art for you the exact similar way you would have holding a pen and paper. Wait till you hear. This is what the developers have decided to change. Yes, you heard it right. In this field of computer science, machines have already been built that are made to mimic human intelligence and can even stimulate your brain. All of these are achieved when a set of algorithms is fed into the computer's base program. The AI is built in such a way that it has the potential to create novel work using a set of machine learning and self-learning algorithms. These AI robots derive knowledge from the initial data fed into it and overcome its own mistakes via machine learning. AI art is nothing but a collaboration between an artist and an artificial intelligence system. The idea of constructing novel works using artificial intelligence seemed far-fetched initially. It is because people thought AI would be fed a specific set of algorithms that would produce similar works every time. But as it turns out, these AI-generated machines can adapt to a self-learning procedure. They are designed in such a specific way that they cannot allow themselves to replicate any of their previous works and can even work on their own mistakes via machine learning. In the AI-generated pieces, one can have different levels of autonomy which can vary considerably. The outcome of the project heavily depends upon the source which the AI is learning from and the quality of the data. So it vividly means if you are the one feeding data to your machine, then the only reason behind it not being able to produce a desired piece is no one but you. In order to create a desired AI-generated, an artist needs to use an AI creative tool. They also need to work with algorithms in order to set up a set of specific rules. These rules are very important as it enables the machine to analyze millions of images and comprehend a particular creative process. Here we mean the machine needs these algorithms in order to detect a specific style or aesthetic which the user wants. It can not only prepare novel forms, shapes, figures, and patterns, but also has the potential to differentiate an original work from a replica. So now you must have understood what we meant when we said that the AI will respond in the only way you want it to be. Well, you do not need to worry if you have very less or no idea about feeding algorithms to a machine. AI artists often collaborate with coders, developers, and even neuroscientists to build specific kinds of machines that have the capability of pushing human creativity boundaries. So what are the other industries which use AI-generated arts? The entertainment industry is one of the widest implicants of artificially generated arts. You probably have seen thousands of them, but might have missed it. Yes, we are talking about pop album covers and even traditional art gallery walls. Creativity in artists does not only imply painters. Rather, music composers are also wide users of AI-generated art pieces. These machines have the ability to compose unique music using any desired instrument. You won't believe it, but the machine can even generate a fully composed song with Elvis Presley's voice. It can generate unique paintings as if it were painted by Caravaggio, or even create unique motion pictures. Recently, the latest update in AI art generating machines has turned out to be a breakthrough in preserving old art pieces. For example, the machines can now detect the paintbrush strokes, exact color palette used, and techniques to conserve a brutally old art piece using modern techniques. Well, to be honest, no human effort could replicate the exact technique used to create an historical piece, right? The pioneer of an AI generation is a Swiss company called Art Recognition, who made the headlines back in 2021. If you want to get started with creating art pieces using the artificial intelligence, then you could totally look out for Google Deep Dream, Wombo Dream, and Gaogan 2 ML5.js. The idea behind blending artificial intelligence with one's creativity is probably the epitome of technology progress. Digital arts were the first ever AI milestone in the artistic industry. In today's date, digital paintings have also been upgraded so much that it perfectly reflects your own creativity. The conventional method of using paintbrushes on real paper can also be created by AI machines. These machines can even draw using paintbrushes, strokes, different sketching styles, and can even cause mistakes. Well, to be fair, the one behind the mistakes would be your mind, of course. These machines have been fitted with neural networks that imitate your brain's thinking pattern. What do you think of the AI machines blurring out the lines between creativity and robotics? Do you think it could take an artistic experience too far? Do let us know your views in the comments below and give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it.